the bus go to the doctor?
Because it was feeling a little run down and needed a good wash to get back on the road again.
Bicycle fall over.
Because it was too tired to stand up on its own after a long day of riding around the city.
Why did the broom get a promotion at work? Because it was great at sweeping away all the competition and cleaning up the mess. Why did the broom go to school? Because it wanted to be a sweepstakes winner and learn how to brush up on its education. Why did the bus get a job as a cleaner? Because it wanted to get rid of its past and have a fresh start on the road ahead. Why did the broom get a promotion at the workplace? Because it was great at sweeping all the competition away and cleaning up every single mess.